Hello, I'm CrossFit. Today, we learn about the plate replacement. Do you want to take off the plate easy and efficiently? Here we go. Before we learn about plate replacement, we should know why we can't drop the empty bar. Because a lot of people are dropping the empty bar while they are removing the plates. That is 50 burpees. Our Olympic lifting barbell has bearings in each edge of the bar. If you drop the empty bar without bumper plates, these bearings will damage and it won't wheel anymore. Save your equipment. To put the plates in, lift one side with your hand and put the plates in. Same for the other side too. If your weight is too heavy or you can't lift the bar because your bar is heavy enough, two ways to put the weights in. First, put little plates underneath the plate and roll the barbell onto it. This way, barbell is in the air, then easy to put the weight. Second, pull the plate. It's better to pull the plate with your body. Instead, push the plate with your hand only. Match the hole and the bar. Grab the plates and put it in. Boom. Easy. To take off the plates, we have much easier way. First, put little plates underneath the plate. Again, weights are in the air. Easy to pull or push it out. Second, if you pull out the plates one side already, you can lift that side up. Then other side plates will be slide off automatically. Make sure you remove the clips before you lift the bar. Plates won't get off if you didn't remove the clips. Alright, now you know how to replace your plate. So, don't drop the empty bar unless you want to do 50 burpees.